Something in the Orange by Zach Bryan is going to be played in standard tuning. In this tutorial, I'll give you ideas of how to play the acoustic part and then some ideas for some of the textures and kind of leady parts that are happening on a slide. So the opening chord is going to be a version of an E minor. To me, it sounds like you've got an open 6 string, first finger on the 5 string 2 fret. That first finger kind of blocks out the 4 string, I feel like, but if you want to leave it open or even fret it with your second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, you can. An open 3 string, then ring finger on the 2 string 3 fret, and pinky finger on the 1 string 3 fret. So, you hear like a down, 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 up, down, up. And so that second down, up, he seems to be strumming, kind of feathered, strumming lightly on the higher register of the strings. And that's probably not really even an intentional part of the song, but it's something about the texture that kind of makes it sound recognizable. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and that last down, up, you kind of bleed your strumming down to these higher strings. And then the riff that is very recognizable. The way that you want to do that, you're going to hit with your first finger the 6 string 2 fret. Then go with your second finger to the 6 string 3 fret. You're not really going to pluck it for this note to ring out, though. You're going to pluck it and slide it with your second finger to the 6 string 7 fret. So notice how whenever we pluck that 6 string 3 fret, we're really not going there for it to ring out. We're just going as a quick starting point for our slide. So you're plucking 6 string 3 fret and immediately pulling it up to the 6 string 7 fret. And then after this, you'll hit the open 6 string. So you get all of that is happening just on the 6 string. And then go to a G chord. For this G chord, second finger on the 6 string 3 fret. Your first finger can be hammering, and it definitely, Zach Bryan's finger does at times hammer on the 5 string 2 fret. But so you'll want your first finger available for the 5 string 2 fret. You'll have an open 4 and open 3. I'm pulling my ring back to the 2 string 3 fret and pinky finger back to the 1 string 3 fret for that G style chord. So E minor to the riff to the G. Once you get into the G, and really a lot of the strumming of the intro and the verse to this song is just kind of palm muting, where you take the fat of your palm, lay it directly across the saddle of your guitar, this white piece, to mute the strings, and just kind of strum through your palm, muting those strings. So, let me get back to the thing. We get back to the G. You kind of palm mute that G, and then you hear a what that first riff is, or I guess the second riff after the G, is a first finger to the 4 string 2 fret, open the 4 string, hit the 5 string open, and then go back into your E minor. And then riff again, E minor to the riff, G, repeat the G, and then the second time that little riff seems to change to me. It's not as clean of just, it's more of, the way that is you strike the open 4 string and then hammer on with your first string, with your first finger to the 4 string 2 fret, then open up the 4 string again, and then do that same hammer on the 5 string 2 fret. And then hit the open 6 string for your E minor. So that's the intro, very slowly. Repeat the G, clean riff. Repeat the E minor, repeat the riff, hit the little hammer on in the G, second time through the G, slightly sloppier riff. And then we get the slide part that comes in, which I'll address in a second. The verse, though, will be the E minor to the G. So this is the vast majority of the verse. Palm mute on the E minor. I've got an open 6 string, first finger on the 5 string 2 fret. I'm letting my first finger mute out the 4 string, open 3, and then pinky and ring finger and pinky finger respectively on string 2 and 1 3rd fret. So just palm mute that. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So that's an E minor. 1 2 3. So 2 counts of 3. 1 2 3 2 2 3, and then F sharp with your first finger for 1 count of 3. I've just moved my first finger from the 5 string 2 fret to the 6 string 2 fret. Palm muting down 1 2 3, and then pull into your G chord. So 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, and that's a G chord. Sometimes in the strumming it's just a down, and sometimes though you can hear a little down down up down 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 up down sneak in, playing between the 6 string and an open 4 string. So then the walk down back to the E minor is just a straight kind of chunk, 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 just straight palm mute downs of the G, 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 F sharp, E minor, going with your second finger from the 6 string 3 fret to the 6 string 2 fret with your first finger to the E minor. Now sometimes it sounds to me like this walk down is just straight, like 3 3 3 3. I'm talking about the fret and open of the 6 string. 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 2 2 open. Sometimes it sounds like it might be 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 2 3 open. Sometimes it sounds like it would be cool to go 3 3 3 3 3 3 2 3, hit the open 5 string and then your E minor. So there's no video of him playing this. Most times I feel like it's just the straight walk down, but you can put a little bit of flair in there of your own if you wish. Whenever we get to the chorus, it's going to be a C major chord. The C major is going to be ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret, second finger on the 4 string 2 fret, an open 3 string, first finger on the 2 string 1 fret, and an open 1 string. The strumming pattern seems to switch a little bit here too as well. It's more of a down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, 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 down. So the C chord, I would hammer on, or I feel like I can hear Zach Bryan hammering on with the second finger from the 4 string open, 4 string 2nd fret with that second finger in the C position. And then open it back up at the end of the phrase, like. So hammer, hammer off. Or not really hammer off, but hammer, hammer, then open, and I'm talking about the 4 string. Go to the G chord. For this G chord, I'm playing a standard G chord with the ring finger on the 6 string 3 fret. Your second finger can hammer onto the 5 string 2 fret, open 4, open 3, open 2, pinky finger pulled back to the 1 string 3 fret. To the D chord, this is new for this song, an open 4 string. First finger on the 3 string 2 fret, ring finger on the 2 string 3 fret, and then your second finger can either just kind of remain off and mute that 1 string, or put your second finger on the 1 string 2 fret. So there's your D chord, then to the E minor chord. Now in this E minor chord of the chorus, the slide guitar goes like that. You've got a slide that is leading back up to the C going. If you're just playing this solid acoustic, might want to walk up to that, like out of the E minor. E minor, walk. The way that you do that is out of the E minor, go 6 string 3 fret, open 5 string 2 fret, and then ring finger on the 5 string 3 fret for your C chord again. So that's the chorus. It goes through like 2 times. Once the vocals are done with the chorus, you've got a slightly different riff that happens in the C. It goes something like that. So what I'm doing is I'm hammering with my second finger to the 4 string 2 fret. That's kind of a hammer, down, up, down, and then so you're moving your hammer from your second finger on the 4 string 2 fret to the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then hit the open 4 string again, all in C position. And then G chord, and then D chord, and you hear him do that. It's definitely a slide as opposed to a hammer. So in the D chord, hit your D chord and then focus on your first finger that's on the 3 string 2 fret, pluck that, and immediately slide it up to the 3 string 4 fret. Come back down to the 3 string 2 fret, open up the 3 string, and go to the E minor. So that after the chorus, you've got 2 rounds of something like this. The second time it just holds that D before going into the E minor. Alright, let me talk very quickly about what the slide is doing. So in the intro, the slide part is, and actually I'm just going to show you without a slide, but keep in mind that everything I'm showing you is with a slide. I don't know necessarily that the electric that's playing the slide part is playing in standard tuning, but I'm playing in standard tuning so you can achieve it in standard. It might, the guy might be playing in like an open E tuning of some sort, or maybe open G, I don't know. Anyway, 4 string, move from the 4 string 7 fret to the 4 string 9 fret. And you do that. So 4 string 7 to 4 string 9, back down to 4 string 7, 4 string 9, to 4 string 4, 4 string 5. And then back up 4 strings, back up 4 string 7 to 4 string 9. You'll throw in 3 string 7, 3 string 9, 3 string 7, back to 4 string 9, and then 5 string 7, so that it's coming together like this. The last time it's very similar. I say the last time, I think that's just the only time that it does it. And then, so there's just kind of some texture that's happening during the verse. If you've got a slide, just kind of keep in that box. So anywhere kind of in the G major scale, or the E minor scale, I guess I should say. So you got that box of like 4 fret to 7 fret on the strings 5, 4, and 3. Actually, don't throw in string 3. Right in there. All right, the chorus slide part goes. that is a 3-string 5 fret, to 3-string 4 fret, to 4-string 7 fret, to 4-string 5, walk it back up, 5, 7, 4, 5, on strings 4, 4, 3, 3, repeat. And then it slides up to the 3-string 9 fret, 3-string 7 fret, 3-string 12 fret, 3-string 11 fret, then 3-string 7 fret again. 3-string 9 fret, and then repeats. 3-string 5 fret, 3-string 4 fret, 4-string 7 fret, holds on that, and then hits the 4-string 5 fret, and terminates down into an E note of some sort. You might want to play it on the 4-string 2 fret or the 5-string 7 fret. Alright, so I know that was probably painful to hear the instruction of those single notes, but that's the idea for how to pull off the slide part as well. Finally, the very last round of the song, I think, repeats the D to the E minor and repeats D to E minor, saying like, please turn those headlights around, please turn those headlights around, the end. So those are the chords and the movements to Something in the Orange by Zach Bryan. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to approach the song.